Amazing health and beauty benefits of pink salt you must know. Pink salt for weight loss and skin whitening. You probably use white salt in your dishes. White salt is a processed form of the salt, and as compared to pink salt, its nutritional value is low. There are many amazing health and beauty benefits of using raw or pink salt. In the video below, I am going to share with you amazing health and beauty benefits of pink salt you do not know about. After reading this piece of writing, you will simply love this amazing ingredient. Pink salt and its amazing health and beauty benefits. The salt cures tiredness and fatigue. It is safe for diabetic and heart patients. Also, it removes wrinkles and makes skin glowing naturally. Pink salt is not processed, and is more beneficial as compared to white salt. It has 84% sodium and other minerals. It is good for asthma patients as it can cure respiratory disorders. The salt is antibacterial and it aids in good digestion and prevents bloating and stomach acidity. It maintains pH level of your body, and helps to detoxify your body. Also, it aids to burn fat, and thus, it is very effective to get rid of obesity. It cures mental fatigue, and makes you feel fresh. Also, it sharpens memory and cures joint pain and inflammation fast. For the cure of body cramps, use pink salt. It strengthens your bones, and cures a sore throat fast if used mixed with lukewarm water to gargle 2 to 3 times. It relieves foot pain and inflammation. The soak solution made with pink salt also helps you get rid of yellow nails. Mix salt and lukewarm water, and add half lemon, dip your nails in it to whiten your yellow nails. It replenishes your skin and removes freckles and dead cells of your skin. For skin whitening and tan removal, take 1 spoon of pink salt, in it, add 1 to 2 spoons of yogurt, and juice of half lemon. Rub the mixture on your skin, and you will get a glowing skin. This is all about health and beauty benefits of pink salt. So, use this ingredient and enjoy its beauty and health benefits.